Hey guys, Big Elevator Dude 707 here. This is going to be system test number 13 with a Gentex Commander 3 set at 15 candela, set to Chime. Here's a notifier NBG12L pull station. Never pull rail filing unless there's a real emergency. Only have one trouble, which is no batteries. So with that said, here we go. 3, 2, 1. If you have any light sensitive epilepsy, do not watch this part of this video. Thank you. You've been warned. Here we go. Not that loud too, which is nice. Signal silence. Oops. There we go. Silenced. Set the pull station. Let me put the camera down. There we go. Closed it up. Do a system reset. Resetting. Doesn't take that long to reset, at least, because this is a very smart panel. First type. Only one trouble. Battery. Signal silence that. So yeah, those were the Gentex Commander 3. The GEC, hang on, I forget the model number. GEC3-24WR. Wall, it's for a wall and it's red. Got this off eBay a few years ago. And it's finally about time now we do a system test with that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.